Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream using Injoy powder, only ways. Mix 2 cups whole milk with 1 cup heavy cream and 1 packet of Injoy powder until dissolved. Chill the mixture for at least 1 hour, then churn according to your ice cream maker instructions. Harden in the freezer for 2 to 4 hours. Serve with toppings and enjoy a creamy, quick homemade treat. Start by gathering 2 cups whole milk, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 packet Injoy powder, sugar if desired, and an ice cream maker. Measure precisely and warm the milk slightly to help dissolve the powder, then whisk thoroughly until smooth. Cool the base in the fridge for at least 1 hour before churning. Add vanilla or fruit puree for flavor before churning to customize your batch. Pour the chilled base into your ice cream maker and churn until thick and creamy, following manufacturer times, which usually range 20 to 40 minutes. Transfer to a shallow container, smooth the top, and press a piece of parchment to prevent ice crystals. Freeze for 2 to 4 hours to firm up. Let slightly soften a few minutes before serving for perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.